Cause it's upsetting. Don't mind my booming forehead. My forehead is... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole for those who don't know. And for today's video, we are going to... Hold on. If you aren't subscribed, why aren't you? Click that big red button and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post another video. Today we're going to be taking it back to before we knew what Sephora was. Yes, the drugstore, the CVS, the Walgreens, the Target. I don't know if Target's really considered a drugstore. Is it? If it is, comment down below and let me know. Is it? Now, over the years, the drugstore has been coming out with some bangers. And when I say bangers, I mean like they've been actually stepping up their game. I know when I was starting out with makeup, it was a little task to find what worked for me in the drugstore, but I'm glad that I finally found the holy grail products that work and are foolproof. I just put together a kit of foolproof products you can't mix up. If you paid for it to be full coverage, it's gonna be full coverage. If you paid for it to be sheer coverage, it's gonna be sheer coverage. If that seems like your thing, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There was a time in drugstore makeup where finding makeup for women of color was like a hard thing. Shades were either too pink or too red. There weren't enough warm olive golden undertones to complement our skins. But lately they have been coming out with a lot of more ranges because they see that, like Rihanna when she dropped her 50 Shades. 50 Shades! 50 Shades of Grey. No, 50 Shades of Melanin. Recently, the drugstore has been stepping up when it comes to products that cater more to the melanated women in the world. So, here are some of my favorite ones and some of the ones that are pretty darn good. If she not done, then just forget about it. Just because you can go without foundation, you can go without concealer, you can go without anything else. But if the brows is like not tamed, I don't know what to tell you. One brow product that I found is foolproof. Just the one-stop shop when it comes to brows is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Wiz. That is like $18 in comparison to this $10 one. So you're saving $8. You put her there, she's staying there, and it comes with a spoolie on the other end, so you do not have to buy another product. This is what I used to do my eyebrows every week. She has not failed me yet, and we've been going on strong for at least a good year or so. If you want to beat that face, you gotta have a good base. Anybody looking to sign somebody? Because I feel like that was just some heat.
Wait a damn minute. What?
If you want your face to be on 10, if you want your skin just to be smooth, and I got the foundation for you. I got you. When it comes for those days that I want to be bare or I just want my skin but better and also a glowy look, I go for my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. I am in the color 330 if you do need a reference. You put her on, she gonna glow, but she not gonna have you looking like a honey bun. And if you know Maybelline, their Fit Me line has been around for the longest, but they just recently came out with like their foundations that are like catered to different skin types or different finishes. When you're ready to erase the canvas, when you're ready to just, you know, get rid of everything, start from scratch. If you watch TikTok, you know about this, but let me tell you, TikTok really be hitting when it comes to recommendations. This foundation, that's all I gotta say. This foundation. You put her down, she gonna stay there. She gives you a natural finish. And when I say natural finish, she's not dewy, but she's not matte. Like my skin looks like butter whenever I use her. And she is a medium to full coverage. So if you're not really into the full coverage, you can use less of this to get a medium coverage. For $10.99, get you some. Y'all let me start talking about bases without talking about primers. Are you serious?
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
I have different primers for different reasons. So if I'm going for a dewy look, I do use a dewy primer. If I am going for a more matte makeup, I will use a more mattifying primer. When I'm looking for that dewy look, when I'm wearing my dewy foundations, I do like to use my NYX Honey Dew Me Up. She's a dewy primer, but she doesn't make you like oil slick. She sinks right into your skin and she's gonna do what you need her to do. She's good, she's gonna do her job, and that's that on that. When I'm going for a more mattifying look, this is on TikTok too, but trust me, it works. I am in love with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Put these two together, you have a match made in. She feels more of a moisturizer to me, but once she dries down, she does. Why am I referring to the thing as a person? And once you put her down and she dries down, it has like that tacky feel that you know it's gonna hold on to your foundation. We like to feel that tacky feel, so we know whatever we lay on top of her, she just gonna. So yeah, this is a great primer when you're looking for a poreless, flawless look, or just want your skin to look like butter. So concealer for me was very hard finding a concealer that wasn't too sheer and also wasn't too full coverage, because I do like my little, I don't know if you can see it, but I do have like one freckle and I'm very proud of my one little freckle. If you started with beauty products from the drugstore, you know about these. These are the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealers. I think every beauty guru has tried these out before. I think at my beauty supply store they are $3, but I've seen them for $5 before. These will give you a medium coverage. They won't give you like that. One trick with this, if you do want more of a coverage, you let them sit for like a minute, then blend her out. I promise you, she's gonna give you more coverage. I have like 3 of them, so you know I'm not telling you to get them because I saw them in a video. No, these are good. I don't know what it is about L'Oreal. They've been coming out with some really good base products, and along with the foundation, they came out with concealer. Now this concealer is gonna give you full coverage. If your dark circles are a problem, she gonna help you out. If you look like you just got off a 12-hour shift but you just woke up, she gonna help you out. She's worth the coin. She's worth her $10. Once you got that base slick and slayed and everything is in its place, you need to set it. Tell that girl, no, we not going nowhere. And it was very hard for me to find a powder that was not too heavy but not too light to the point where I didn't feel like it was doing the job. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. This is how she looks. And I'm gonna smell it like a dumb. She came through for you, girl. She been holding me down. We gotta lock everything in. We gotta make sure everything is blended. Everything is married together. The Milani Make It line, the whole entire line, the Make It Last, the Make It Dewy, the Make It Matte is really good. This one is my favorite out of all of them just because I do love a dewy finish. Whenever I feel like my makeup is lacking, she gonna come through for you, girl. You know me, I love me some highlighter. There was a period of time where like all I would wear was highlighter, no, nothing else, just highlighter. That's it, that's all. This one has been through hell, so I've been using her a lot. This is my favorite highlighter from the drugstore. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studios. Now, let me tell you about this one. If you use a lot of her, you're done for. Like, you're just gonna look like a disco ball. Like, they gonna see you from the heavens. But if you want that subtle glow, then you definitely want to use a little bit of this. This is the 100 Molten Gold, and this is their metallic highlighter. When they said metallic, they wasn't playing. Use this correctly, she will look so beautiful and give you like that beautiful glow that I have going on there. That's what's on my cheeks right now. So you know me, I love me a nice matte black eyeliner. But recently I've been going more for brown eyeliners, especially after I did my BoxyCharm unboxing. If you haven't watched that, go watch it, because what are you doing with your life if you're not watching my videos? It took a while for me to find one that was like black and in the Essence Fest. My tried and true ride or die eyeliner will always be the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liner. Let me tell you, put her down, she's not going nowhere. She's gonna give you that nice matte line that you've been waiting for your whole life. I promise you, if you try this eyeliner, you won't go back. You won't look back. You won't get that black, sleek wing liner. Me, I love a good lash. I do like to switch out my lashes, but my favorite ones and my most natural ones, the ones that I love, are actually from the beauty supply store. Kiss got some nice lashes. Don't sleep on Kiss. Kiss really got some nice lashes. And the Velux ones that you get from the beauty supply store, don't tell nobody I told you though. The Kiss Easy number 5 ones are my favorite ones when it comes to my natural lashes. When it actually comes to finding lashes inside of the drugstore, I got y'all. I'm gonna put y'all up on game. Boom. So these are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and for a pack of 5, I think it's roughly $10. And the thing that I love about Ardell lashes is that they have the Invisiband, so you don't have to worry about concealing the band with eyeliner. I love me eyelashes that flare at the end because it gives you that cat eye illusion. As long as your placement's right, you're good with these. If you're gonna do the lashes thing, you're gonna need you some glue, right? This duo glue, she's done. She's almost done. That's how much I use her. She makes your eyelash stick like no other. This is the Dewy Clear White eyelash adhesive. Damn, I can't talk. All right, now when it comes to the bronzer and the contour, I got you. I'm about to put y'all up on game. The product that I'm talking about is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palettes. Black Radiance has something for both girls, the ones that like to cream contour and the ones that like to powder contour. Bow, that's the cream contour. The powder one, I don't know what to tell y'all. How can you go wrong with the extra highlight? So not only do you have the Maybelline highlight, but you got an extra highlight right there. So they're making sure you bronzed, you contour, you glow. Now, you know me, I got big lips. I love a liner. I love a lip liner. 2 lip liners that I love are NYX, the pencil one, the NYX pencil ones. They're oldie, but a goodie. I mean, they're creamy, they're soft, they're buttery. But the ultimate ones that I love, beauty supply store ones. This is the Absolute New York lip liner in chocolate, and I love brown eyeliners for outlining my lips before putting on lip gloss. I'm not that big of a lipstick person, so I haven't really experienced a lot of drugstore lipsticks, but I can tell you something about their glosses and their lip liners. She's cheap, but she's good. That lip liner is pretty good, and I use her every day. So now when it comes to lip gloss, my favorite thing in the whole wide world, I have 2 different glosses that I find are really good. So the first one that is sheer to medium, I'm talking about these like they're foundations, but the Revlon Super Lustrous Glosses, these are my girls, especially the Scott Pink one with some brown lip liner. Put her in the middle of your lips, you're good. But if you're looking for something that's gonna give you pigment off bat and a lip gloss, go for the NYX Butter Glosses. I just love the name. So this one is Angel Food Cake, and this one is Ginger Snap. I think all of them are like either dessert related or like food related. So that's Angel Food Cake, and this one is Ginger Snap. If you need that pigment in your life, this is where you're gonna go. And last but not least, mascara. Now, I don't personally have this mascara with me, but I have tried it in the past, and it has been really good. So the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara is a really great one. I finished her a couple months ago, but she's been really good to me. I love her. I just can't find her anywhere. She's not that mascara that's gonna flake or just like find its way everywhere else. You put her down, she's gonna sit there. I think that's a full face of makeup. So I just put you up on game on a full face of makeup. If you guys enjoyed this video, these are all my recommendations from the drugstore. Just products that I find that work for me and I feel like will work for you as well. If you just have any other product suggestions for me, just comment them down below, because I am always open to trying new things and always finding the next and better thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. And you know what I'm gonna tell you to do. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post another video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.